Hey guys, this is a quick, super quick tutorial on how to do the tack it method using Mod Podge. Yes, you can achieve the same look with just using Mod Podge. This is just a super fast tutorial on a cup that I've been stripping, and I'm just going to do one part of it. So I have a brush. I always use my makeup brushes. Dip it into the Mod Podge like so. It's okay coverage. And then brush it on. And I do it so that it's kind of thin, because the thinner it is, the less time you have to spend waiting for it to dry. And add a little more, this much more, just so I can get the top. I don't like using Mod Podge with glitter on my tumblers, but when I do, I use a makeup brush because it's smooth, the bristles are super soft, and I don't get streaks like I used to when I would use all the other kinds of brushes that they have out there for this stuff. Alright, now you just sit and wait for like a couple minutes. You want to dry out a little. While it's doing that, I'm going to close this up and you guys can just watch the glue dry. And I'm going to rinse off my brush and this little thing of water I have here. And that would be a really good key thing to do each time you use a brush with Mod Podge. Rinse it off, like, immediately. That way you don't have to deal with having a glued together brush and trying to get all that crap out later. So next, what I do, I have another makeup brush. This is a fan brush. As you can see, it has crap on it already from the first time I did this experiment. Now it's not, it's a little tacky, so I guess this would be a good time. So what I do is throw some glitter on there and brush it around, spreading the glitter. And I'm kind of patting as I do this, because the secret behind getting the laser effect with holographic glitter is getting the glitter to lay flat. So any glue, any adhesive that you use will work. You don't have to run out and buy whatever everybody else is using. That's actually just a waste of money and time, because you can be crafting and trying these new experiments with the stuff that you probably already have in your house, in your craft arsenal. So as I'm brushing, it's smoothing out the glitter, which is making it lay flat, which is giving the laser effect of this holographic glitter. Now I probably will have to do another layer because like I said, this is quick, so it's a little splotchy. I'm not really paying too much attention to where I apply the Mod Podge. This is simply to show you that it works with Mod Podge and to help you save some money. Give it a shot. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that laser effect going on. Hold on, let's see if I can get a really good, you see that? It's all this right here. It looks good, right? And it's smooth, it's lasery, and you didn't have to wait an hour or however long for your Mod Podge to dry. I'm just rubbing it to see if anything is coming up or messing up. Nope. Rubbing it with my finger actually seems to help press it down even more. So giving it a good burnishing after you burnish it makes that stuff just pop. See how smooth it is? Where's the light? Well, minus this little area. Let's see if we can get that to go down. There we go. Look at that. Super lasery using Mod Podge.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.